Problem is to write a Python program to create a long multi-line string. Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. My name is Ayushi Jain and in this video we will learn how to write a program that will allow us to write a long multi-line string. So guys, long multi-line string over here means that if you want to write a single print statement and inside it you want to write multiple lines, in that case long multiple line string is used. Now to create long multiple line string inside our Python we have three methods. Our first method is with triple quotations, our second method is with the backslash in it, and our third method would be with only backslash. So let's have a look on each method one by one, starting with the triple quotations. For triple quotations, I'll be writing the print statement and inside this I'll be passing triple quotations. Inside the triple quotations, whatever data you want to write, suppose if you want to write hello, suppose if I would have used single quotations, let's say I would have used single quotations and here I would have pressed enter. Like I would have written hi, or maybe inside this only I would have just written hi, how are you, like this. Okay. In this case, it would have given me the data like this. That means it's not coming in multiple lines. To give it in multiple lines, what you can do is you can create triple quotations and you can write hello, how are you, hope you are doing well. Now if I run this, you will notice that it is coming in three different lines. The first line says hello, the second line says how are you, and the third line says hope you're doing well. That means you don't have to write three print statements to write three multiple lines. What you can do is you can pass it inside the triple quotation. Now talking about our second method, the second method over here. Now not just triple double quotations, you can also use triple single quotations as well. So if I use triple single quotations instead of triple double quotation, it would still do the same thing. So now talking about our second method where we will be using the backslash and n, let's have a look on how it can be done. So our second method over here says that we will be using our backslash and n. How to make it work is we will be writing a print statement. Inside the print statement, suppose if I have written hello with using single quotations. Now what I want to do, I want to write the backslash and n. That means I want to write the next data inside the next line. Like whatever is the next line, it should come in the next line. Okay. So how are you should come in the next line. So to make it come in the next line, I'll be writing backslash and n, and then I'll be writing how are you. After this again I'll be putting a backslash and n, and I'll be writing hope you are doing well. Now let's run and see what output we will get. So see, you can clearly see over here we have hello, how are you, hope you are doing well. Why there is a gap of one space in between is because of the space that we have in between over here. So you can provide the gap if you want after hello and how are you, but not between the backslash and n, otherwise it will create a gap over here. So if I run it again, now it's coming from the starting of the line. So this is how you can use the method of backslash and n to write into multiple lines. That means you can write a print statement. In one single line, you can write all the multiple statements you want to write, and whenever you want to move to the next line, at that place you can use the backslash and n. Let's move ahead to our third method where we will be using only one single backslash to do it. So here how you can create a long multiple line string is very simple. You can create a variable called a string. Inside you can write a values like hello, and I'll put a backslash and n. Also in the end I'll be putting a slash, backslash, and I'll be writing the next data over here like how are you. Again a backslash and n to move to the next line, and in the end I'll be putting a backslash, and lastly I'll be writing hope you are doing well. Once I'm done with this, I don't need to put anything in the next line. What I'll be just doing, I'll be just writing print string. Let's run and see what output we will get. So as soon as I have run this code, I hope the method over here is clear that first of all you need to create a variable called a string. You need to write the string that you want to write in the first line along with the backslash and n, because if you will not put a backslash and n and simply run it, it would come like this. That means it would come in a single line. To avoid that to happen, what you can do is you can write backslash and n. So again if I run it, I'll be getting it inside the three different lines. So I hope guys that all the three methods over here are clear to you. Our first method is with the triple quotations, our second method is with the backslash and n, and our third method over here is with the simple slash, and our third method over here is with the simple backslash. So I hope you guys have no doubts in the questions, and you can find the link of this code in our description. And for more such interesting programs, stay connected guys. Thank you.